Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to make fruit sugar. We will walk through the simple steps to create your own delicious, naturally flavored sweetener right in your kitchen. This process is straightforward, using just a few common items. You will discover how to easily elevate your baking, drinks, and desserts with a touch of homemade magic. Get ready to add vibrant color and intense fruit flavor to all your favorite treats. The key to excellent fruit sugar begins with selecting the right fruit. We highly recommend using freeze-dried fruit because its lack of moisture allows it to be ground into a very fine powder. This ensures a smooth, consistent sugar. You can choose any of your favorite freeze-dried fruits, such as vibrant strawberries, sweet pineapple, or tangy blueberries. A good starting point is about 1/2 cup of your chosen fruit. Now let's get to the heart of the process, grinding and mixing. Take your freeze-dried fruit and pulverize it into a very fine powder using a food processor, a small blender, or a spice grinder. Once powdered, combine 1 part of this fruit powder with 2 parts of granulated sugar. For example, if you have 1/2 cup of fruit powder, mix it with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir everything together thoroughly until the color and flavor are evenly distributed. To finish your fruit sugar, spread the mixture thinly onto a sheet of parchment paper. Let it air dry for at least 2 hours to ensure any residual moisture evaporates, preventing clumping. Once completely dry, transfer your beautiful, homemade fruit sugar into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its vibrant flavor and color for many weeks. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.